Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Hair Hacks. I hope you are all fine and doing well. In this video today I will show you a beautiful haircuts and hairstyle. Haircuts will change your personality and volumize your hair. So my dear friends, let's talk about today's trendy fashion about hairs. Haircuts, hair color and short hair are today's trend. If you love to follow trends, you will cut your hair. You will color your hair into different style and different sizes like layer cutting, shaggy haircuts, layer fine haircuts, pixie haircuts, layer curvy haircuts, short bob cuts, step cutting and much more haircuts. These kinds of cutting will change your personality and volumize your hair. So my dear friends, let's talk about today's trendy fashion about hairs. Haircuts, hair color and short hair are today's trend. These kinds of cutting will change your personality, look great, gorgeous and stylish. And my dear friends, if you are a new subscriber on my YouTube channel, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest and new daily updates. And like my all videos and share it with your friends, family members and all other social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Thank you so much you are watching my video. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new collection and new ideas. Take care of yourself. Keep supporting me. Keep on watching and bye.